so far it's okay. Unpackaging was very easy. Install this exhaust pipe on the back, which is super simple. It comes with instructions. I would suggest, if you are gonna purchase, I would suggest that you get this little stand, which is universal for a mini fridge, or something like this. It's very easy to put together as well. It only cost me about 18 bucks. And it's easy to just be able to roll it around if you need to roll it around. It also gives it the proper ventilation on the bottom. So I have the exhaust pipe outside of my window, so that way it can ventilate everything it needs to ventilate. I will update and let you know how the clothes have dried. I have a lot of things inside. It actually is pretty big inside. I will also upload a video with how big the inside is. I was pleasantly surprised. I have a couple t-shirts in there, maybe more than 5. I have some leggings in there, some pajama pants and socks. I put it on the 120 heat setting. I believe it should be, I don't know if that's a little over an hour, but I will let you know with another video how everything comes out.